Hello everyone and welcome back to Micro Tweaks. Today we will teach you how to create an electronic signature on Paint 3D and attach it on your document that needs your signature. This is very useful, especially nowadays that most of us are working from home and documents must be signed electronically and sent. First of all, write your signature on a piece of blank paper and take a picture of it on your mobile phone. Transfer the picture to your computer. I'm going to assume that you have already done this. Next thing to do is open Paint 3D. The program is mostly available on Windows 10. Create a new canvas. And paste a copy of your signature to it. Then click on Magic Select and crop your image to only include the image of your signature. Then click Next. Upon clicking Next, Paint 3D will highlight the parts of your signature that will be captured. If there are parts that shouldn't be included like what is illustrated on the example, click Remove to delete the parts you wish to remove. As for parts that you think should be included, just click Add and click on the parts you want to be included. You can also increase the image to make the process much easier to do. As soon as you've properly captured the image of your signature, click Done. You will then notice that the image of your signature has become a separate image from the background. You can then remove the background and delete it. Next thing to do is go to Menu and click Save As. Save the image as a PNG file and click Transparency. You can also increase or decrease the pixel ratio of your image. In case you're unable to find the transparency option, you will find this under the Canvas menu. Click Save, then give it a file name. I will name my signature file as Sign2. Next is to attach the digital signature to your document. Open your document that needs your signature and click Insert. Then click Picture and you will insert a picture image. Now go to the folder where you have saved your signature image. Select the file and click Open. This will then insert the image to your document in any Word or spreadsheet program. Text wrap the image and place it in front of the text so that you may be able to move the image around the document. Now place your signature to your desired position within your document. And there you go. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel to be notified for more useful tips and tutorials in the future. Thank you.